So what's the difference between Nexus rewards and Nexus Snap? Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you've heard of Nexus rewards and you heard of Nexus Snap, and you heard that Nexus rewards was Nexus Snap, Nexus Snap was Nexus rewards. You might be a little confused, like, wait a minute. Is Nexus rewards still around? Is Nexus Snap the new Nexus rewards? Well, look, all right, I'm about to clear everything up for you right now. So Nexus rewards is still Nexus rewards. Now Nexus Snap is just what they call Nexus rewards compensation plan. All right, so basically they're the same thing. All right, so Nexus rewards didn't go away, because even when I first got started with Nexus Snap and everything, I'm like, wait a minute, is Nexus rewards gone or whatever? But the truth is Nexus rewards is still Nexus rewards. Nexus Snap is just the compensation plan. But you may see people, talk about Nexus rewards, and then you might see somebody just talk about Nexus Snap and really don't say Nexus rewards. Me personally, I used to talk about Nexus rewards, but once Nexus Snap came out, I usually refer to Nexus rewards as Nexus Snap. But the bottom line is Nexus rewards or Nexus Snap, whatever you want to call it, is one of the best online business opportunities out there right now. So if you haven't checked out Nexus Snap or Nexus rewards, and you are looking for a way to start making some money online, start earning a monthly recurring income, you want to check out that first link in the description, and I will see you, you, on the team.